To watch this recipe in Hindi, check the link in description box below and also subscribe to Mridula's Cookbook Hindi channel. Hello everyone, I am Mridula and once again welcome back to my channel. Today in this video we will see how to make chicken baida roti. It is a very popular street food and is made with roti filled with chicken mince, egg and flavored with some spices. There are two parts, one is the filling and other is the outer cover. So for the outer cover, we need 1.5 cup of all-purpose flour, that is maida, around 1/3 cup warm water, half teaspoon salt and 2 teaspoon oil. To make its filling, we need 250 grams fine chicken mince. I have ground boneless chicken in food processor. You can also do this in mixer grinder. 1 large finely chopped onion, 1 large tomato finely chopped, 1/4 cup of fresh chopped coriander leaves, 1 large green chilli finely chopped. You can use more chilli if you want to make it more spicy. 1 tablespoon ginger garlic paste. In powdered spices we need half teaspoon turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon coriander powder, half teaspoon cumin powder, 1 teaspoon Kashmiri red chilli powder and half teaspoon garam masala powder, 4 eggs, 3 tablespoon oil and salt to taste. And we also need some chaat masala powder. First we will prepare the dough. For that, in a large plate or in a bowl, take flour, salt, 1 teaspoon oil. Mix everything till the oil gets combined with the flour. Now add warm water little at a time and gather all the flour together. Once the flour gets combined, then start kneading to form a smooth soft dough. It will take around 10 minutes of good kneading. As you can see, this dough has become smooth and soft. Now apply little oil on the surface of the dough. Cover with a wet cloth and keep it aside for 30 minutes. Next, we need to make the filling. For that, in a pan, heat 3 tablespoon oil. Once oil is hot, add in chopped onions. I will save some onions to add it at the end. That will give that raw onion bite. If you don't like that, you can add all the chopped onions at this stage. Saute on medium flame till they become soft. Now add in ginger and garlic paste. Cook this for 2 minutes. Now lower the flame and add in powdered spices, turmeric powder, coriander powder, cumin powder and Kashmiri chilli powder. Let these spices cook on low flame for a minute. Now in goes tomatoes. Also add in salt. Continue to cook this till the tomatoes turn soft. Now that the tomatoes have become soft, add 1 cup water. Let this comes to boil. Add in chicken mince. Make sure when you add chicken mince the flame is set on low so that you will have enough time to mix. If you work on high flame, then the mince will quickly start to cook and will form into larger lumps. Using a spoon, keep on mashing the mince. Put on the lid and let this keema cook on medium flame for 4 to 5 minutes. After around 5 minutes, there is still some water left, so turn the flame on high. Finally add in garam masala powder, green chilies, remaining chopped onions and coriander leaves. Keep cooking on high flame till this mixture becomes dry. This mixture has become dry, so take this off the flame and let it cool down completely. Our keema mixture has cooled down completely. Now in a bowl take 4 eggs. To this add salt to taste and whisk this. Then add this cooked keema mixture to it. Give a mix. Our filling for roti is ready. After about 30 minutes, the dough is also ready. Divide the dough to make lemon-sized balls. In the given quantity, you can make 6 keema rotis. Before we start making keema roti, heat a pan on medium flame. Add 2 teaspoon oil. Normally these rotis are fried in lots of oil, but I am going to use less oil. Next, take a ball of dough, coat with some flour. Roll it into circular roti. It should not be very thin. It's okay if it is not perfect circle. Just take care to roll it out evenly from all the edges. Now take some filling. I'm using 1/4 cup measurement here. Place it at the center of this roti. Sprinkle some chaat masala. And in this way, fold the roti from all sides to make a pocket. Gently press it so that it is sealed well. Carefully lift the roti and place it on pan. The egg that is added in the filling needs to be cooked well, so keep the flame on medium and fry it from both sides till it becomes crispy. Using a pair of tongs, lift the roti to fry it from the sides as well. Our Kheema baida roti is ready. Serve it along with tomato ketchup. I will just cut open one roti and show you. The filling has cooked well and the outer cover is very crispy. So do try this recipe and let me know your feedback in the comments below. If you liked today's video, then give it a like, share it with your friends and family, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. I will be back with a new recipe video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.